Yes, some amazing fact which probably very few people know is that the cells that make up the lining of your stomach, the inside of the lining of the stomach, there's a very thick mucus layer because your stomach produces gastrin and hydrochloric acid to digest the food. And this lining is replaced very, very rapidly. The entire stomach lining is replaced every 3 to 6 days. Can you imagine? It's basically like every week you're getting a new stomach because of the rubbish we put into our stomach. We put fast food and junk food. We put so much rubbish in our stomach that the stomach has got to replace that lining. Basically, every week you're getting a new lining. Can you imagine changing your car tires every week? We'll go nuts, yet we are punishing our body. But the body is so amazing that every week it replaces a brand new lining. Absolutely amazing.